Hello and welcome to another video. Here is the progress on the scarf. It's getting much bigger, and this morning this is how much I've crocheted from here all the way to here, which is quite a lot, and I did that in one sitting, which I shouldn't have done because now I feel some discomfort in my neck and in my back. So I better go for a walk now, stretch, move my body, and later on I can continue crocheting. This is how much yarn I have left. So for this scarf I will need a little bit of yarn from the second skein. With these scarves that I made before, each one of them took only one skein, and actually each one had a bit of yarn left. But with this scarf it is wider, so I'm gonna need a bit more of yarn from the second skein. As I have shared in the previous videos, walking is a part of my daily routine, and actually 3 things that highlight every morning for me are coffee, walking, and crocheting. And every morning when I wake up at 6 a.m. it is dark and cold outside and I don't feel like getting out of the bed, but then I remind myself of these 3 wonderful things, and all of a sudden I am happy and enthusiastic to get out of the bed and start my day. So here is the scarf, 60 inches long, and I thought that one skein of this yarn, Hobbii Universe, is not gonna be enough and I will need a bit of yarn from the second skein, but no, that was enough, and this is actually what I have left. What I don't like about the scarf is the edge right here, well, on both sides of the scarf. And over here I tried crocheting single crochets into the ends of rows, and I like this look much better. It gives the edge a more straight and more defined look. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a round of single crochets at the perimeter of the scarf, and I think I'm gonna use a slightly smaller size hook because these loops here are quite big. I just want to show the difference here. So on this side I'm making single crochets and this side doesn't have them yet, so it definitely looks better with a row of single crochets. And here it is, the finished scarf. This is all that is left from one skein of yarn. So it only took one skein of Hobbii Universe, and the scarf measures about 62 inches long and 9.5 inches wide. And just like the other 2 scarves made with Hobbii Universe yarn, this scarf has a beautiful soft drape. The colors of the scarf look rather dull in the evening electric light, but in the daylight they are very, very pretty. So let's do a quick recap. Over here I have 3 scarves that I made with Expression Fiber Arts yarns. Then I also have 3 more scarves made with Hobbii Universe yarns. And now I will be moving on to crocheting the next 3 scarves, which will be made with shawl in a bowl. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following my progress, for encouraging me, and I'll see you in the next video.